I'm Donaldo, and today we're taking taco night to a whole nother level. I'm showing you how to make crispy tacos right out of the air fryer. No deep frying, no mess, just pure crunch. Let's get started.
That's good.
The first thing I like to start with is the meat for the taco, okay? I want to get a frying pan, heat it up, get some oil in there. We're gonna cook the onions and garlic first. That's just like the base of flavor. And then we're gonna throw the meat right in on top of that. Okay, so once you get your ground beef in there, just start chopping it up somehow. I use 2 wooden spoons and I just kind of like chop it like karate style, I guess, until it's all broken up nice. It takes a little bit of time, but that's okay. Now is the time to add your seasoning to the raw meat that's there, because you want that flavor to really get inside. You don't want to do it after you cook it. You want to do it while it's cooking. Okay, when it comes to seasonings for tacos, it is very easy to just go buy a packet of taco seasoning and just throw it in there, which is fine. I do it all the time. But if you're trying to make your own seasoning and you want it to be like that or more spicy or whatever you're trying to do, it's a pretty easy concoction of spices. Okay, so you have about a pound of ground beef cooking right now. I would say keep this ratio to every pound. So for 1 pound, I would do 3 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, a half tablespoon of onion powder, and a full tablespoon of garlic powder. And then you're gonna wanna add a tablespoon of salt to this or more. You gotta taste it as you go, but I would start at least with 1 tablespoon of salt. And then you wanna go right back to your karate chop ninja spoon action. That works really good for me. I mean, if you have a tool that mixes better than that, use that. I just don't. I use the wooden spoon technique. I don't know. That's just the way I've always done it. It works, okay? In the end, you'll see the result is very nice. Okay, now at this point, I decided to make my own salsa. I'm not saying I'm the master of salsas, because I'm definitely not. This salsa came out pretty good, but it was a little bit more on the chunky side. If you like things thinned out, I would suggest using a little more water with it, add some water in the end. I didn't, I just left it chunky. I liked it like that. You know, salsas are another kind of do whatever you want situation. For this salsa recipe, I use jalapenos, Fresno peppers, red onions, tomatillos, Roman tomatoes, and it comes out really good. So get all your vegetables on a tray, hit it with a little olive oil or avocado oil or whatever you like, throw it all in your air fryer, hit it for like 10 minutes, get a good char on everything, a little roast on everything. Once that's all done, now we're gonna get it into our food processor or our blender, and we're just gonna let it rip, and that's gonna make a nice salsa. If you're not into a thick salsa, add some water to it. You could even add a little bit of, say, vegetable stock, something like that to it, and start tasting it. Every time you blend it, add salt, add pepper, add whatever, hot sauce, whatever you want it to be like. This is where you can really mess around and make your own salsa.
All right, beautiful salsa. It's spicy.
Okay, so now everything is ready to go. So let's just get our tortilla. Let's get some cheese on the bottom. This acts like more like a base to keep any kind of soggy wetness from going through it. We want it to have some kind of protection. So a little bit of cheese on the bottom, then your meat, more cheese on top, fold it over as much as you can without ripping it, and get it in your air fryer. Once you get in your air fryer, hit them with a little oil. Hit them with a little spray of oil. Spray works really good because it kind of coats it really well and evenly. I like to get a metal spoon and throw it right on top of the 2 tacos just to keep them from opening. Okay, and I'm just gonna air fry this at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Check it every 2 minutes. It doesn't hurt to check. Just give it checks. It's not gonna take long. It really doesn't take long. That's really it. And then boom, you got crispy tacos. And once it's done, it should look like this. Melty cheese, crispy tortillas. These look really good. I could eat these right now. I wish I had these in front of me right now. You can open them up, add whatever toppings you like. I like a little white onion with a little cilantro. Today, onions and jalapeno. Delicious, my favorite. But that's it. Crispy tacos out of the air fryer. Delicious, easy to make. You're gonna love them.
That was good.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.